Today is SD Beamer Fest. Me, Kevin, Nick, and the rest of the guys came down to San Diego yesterday. We met up with Bimmer Invasion from Orlando. They hosted a pre-meet. It was cool. Took some footage. I'll probably lay it out right here. We're gonna get the cars washed right now because they're hella dirty. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment. So we're getting the car wash right now, getting it ready for the meet. It's gonna be satisfying seeing my car finally washed. I haven't had a chance to actually, wash the car. Look who pulled up, Mark. What's up?
What's up? Will, the vlogger.
Cars are finally washed. Waiting for Mark, I guess. But yeah. This is our group. It's the next new car. This is Kevin. So we're here, finally made it to the meet. We're walking around. So you got Kevin's car here, the M4 GTS, frozen gray. Really nice car. We got Gabe here shooting how professional like. Nick.
Actual race kit. Off of the race car, bro.
It's a nice build. This is one of the famous YouTuber and slash Instagrammer. This car. I think his name is DJ Hunt or something like that. Pretty sick build. I think they built this car for SEMA or something. Saw the homie from Valley's BMW. Haven't seen him in a while. It's great to catch up. But this is his whip. Pretty cool convertible. And then we have a Lamborghini here. Pretty sick. Kevin, I found your twin. All over Kevin. His lime rock.
Oh my god, the big 21. Get some beer. Man, that shit does look good though. Get some beer. Let me see real quick. Crab. Son las dulces. Happy birthday.